Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a Weathertech Sunroof Wind Deflector. It's pretty easy. I shot this footage probably about 5 months ago when I was doing the restoration on the Suburban, and I'm only just getting around to it now, but enjoy. Alright, so I'm going to put on an actual Weathertech. I didn't buy the cheapie. The Weathertechs have clips, which I'll try to show you close up. It's a wind deflector for the sunroof, and again, it wasn't expensive. It was more expensive than normally I would pay. It was like $60. I bought it from the Weathertech site. This is to, again, add some more black to add with that. So it's all what I said about distraction. Little things will distract someone's eye from the fact that the paint was done with spray cans and it's rougher. Even though honestly it looks pretty nice, this is really going to help build it. And as I said, once I saw how nice it was coming out, I was like, I'll throw a few $100s more into it and see how it goes. So let's look at how to put this thing in if you want one for your own. Now, my recommendation would be get the steering wheel out of the way and stand up through the sunroof to do this. Which, let's see if I can do that. So, how it works is these things, these clips, clip under the lid here, and then these screw holes right here will go in and hold it down. That's it. That's all that holds it. Pretty neat, really. Pretty easy. I just got to see exactly where the positioning of these is supposed to go, but it looks like it's pretty self-explanatory. So let me grab a screwdriver, because I stupidly did not bring it with me, and I'll be back. Okay, so that's pretty much, if you can see that, that's how it goes in. Just these little clips right here, and that holds it, and that's it. And just don't over tighten, you'll probably crack this thing. And that's doodad number 2. A 10-minute installation, not bad. Incidentally, the bug deflector, so this thing is Weathertech Sunroof and Wind Deflector. That's it. It doesn't get much easier than that. Just 2 screws and you've got it mounted. And this is probably the same for any vehicle. I mean, these things are not complex. So hey, if you want to add such a thing to your truck, I added it here to kind of add a little bit of more black to go with the gray. But hey, if you want to add it to your truck, don't be intimidated. It's 2 screws. Just go out, get busy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Come on. No?